Our diet has a significant impact on our health throughout the year, including the summertime. The hot summer weather affects our body's functions, including our metabolism, digestion, and fluid balance. Here are some foods that can help us stay cool and refreshed during the summer months. The first one is mint. Mint contains menthol, which has a cooling effect on the body. It is also beneficial in promoting digestion and reducing inflammation in the body. Mint can be added to water, smoothies, or salads. The second one is yogurt, which is a cooling food that provides probiotics to the gut. Consuming yogurt helps in reducing body heat, inflammation, and gut-related issues. It can be consumed as a snack, in smoothies, or as a dressing. The third is poppy seeds, which are a popular ingredient in cooling medicines and are a great option to quench thirst. They also help in reducing the body heat, keeping the body cool internally. Number 4 are mangoes, which are rich in antioxidants. This helps eliminate harmful toxins from the body. A detoxified system functions more efficiently, aiding in weight loss and promoting gut health. Incorporating mangoes into your summer diet can offer numerous benefits. Rich in vitamins and minerals, they help support immune function, promote healthy skin, and help maintain electrolyte balance in the body. Number 5 is watermelon. This is the perfect fruit to consume during hot summer weather, as it is made up of about 90% water. Consuming watermelon helps to keep the body hydrated and cool. It is also a good source of vitamin C, A, and potassium, which again helps in maintaining electrolyte balance in the body. Number 6 is cucumber, which is another hydrating food that is rich in water content and low in calories. This vegetable aids in regulating body temperature and flushing out toxins. Cucumbers can also be consumed in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. Number 7 is coconut water, which is a natural thirst quencher that is rich in electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium. It also helps in replenishing lost fluids during the hot weather and keeps the body hydrated. It is also an excellent source of antioxidants. Foods that should be avoided during the summer period are spicy and fried food. These should be avoided during the hot weather as they increase the body temperature and cause dehydration. Consuming these foods can also lead to indigestion and heartburn. Number 2 is red meat. This should be avoided as it is heavy on the digestive system and increases the body temperature as more energy is required to digest this food. Consuming red meat during the hot weather can also lead to digestive issues and lethargy. Number 3 are sugary drinks like soda, energy drinks, and sports drinks. These should be avoided as they contain high amounts of sugar, which can cause dehydration and also raise blood sugar levels. These drinks should be replaced with water or coconut water. During summer, the body releases more sweat and gets exhausted quickly. It is therefore crucial to keep hydrated. Body cooling foods and drinks provide cooling relief, helping maintain the temperature inside and outside the body. These foods also aid in digestion, help in weight loss, and normalize acid reflux conditions.